Hello everyone, myself Sanmeet Shah. Many people do ask me, what is Practical BCom? Is it some kind of a different kind of a course? Is it a university degree offered? What is it exactly? So my dear friends, I am here to elaborate in short what is Practical BCom. Practical BCom is the concept, it's as simple as it sounds. It's like Practical BCom. The conventional university degree is offered along with pragmatic accountancy and taxation training in the first year of BCom degree itself. And in second year of the graduation, the students are given an opportunity to work as an accountant, which is the integral part of their on-the-job training. So, student gets 2 years of experience while doing his graduation. That entire training is given on laptop, which is given to the students on the first day of admission itself. The training is 100% industry relevant. We train the students according to the requirement of the industry, which is the very important part of this course. Also, the entire training is imparted, it's given by experts like chartered accountants and tax consultants only. In the second and third year, while doing on-the-job training, the beauty of the course is that the student gets stipend as well. The stipend goes around somewhere between 6 to 12,000 rupees a month. So collectively, when the student completes his graduation, he'll be collectively getting stipend of at least rupees 2.5 to 3.5 lakh rupees as his bank balance. So in short, Practical BCom means conventional university degree plus pragmatic accountancy training in first year, 2 years of on-the-job training in second and third year, plus collective stipend of 2.5 to 3.5 lakh rupees, plus you are free to do professional courses or competitive exams like MPSC, UPSC, MCom. You can opt for this post-graduation courses or you can opt for competitive exams as well. So my dear friends, it's now time to decide whether you want to become jobless by spending more of your time in conventional graduation, or you want to be on your own from the second year of your graduation itself. Thank you so much.